Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'll show you two incredible AI tools in Filmora Mobile. The first is AI Captions, and the second is the AI Image to Video Generator. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Welcome to Filmora Mobile. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app, as it includes fantastic updates and new features. Let me first show you how to use the AI Image to Video Generator. Start by clicking on the Image to Video button. This feature allows you to generate a video from your static image effortlessly. You can upload your image and describe the type of AI-generated video you'd like. Feel free to get creative with your description. Additionally, the tool offers pre-designed templates that you can select immediately. These templates are thoughtfully crafted and serve as a great starting point for your video. Once you've picked a template, click the Generate button, select your image, and hit Import. Within seconds, Filmora will transform your static image into a dynamic video. To take it a step further, use the Project Edit button to refine the video by adding effects, filters, and music, making it even more captivating. Now let's talk about AI Captions. This feature allows you to create captions for your videos in no time. On the home screen of Filmora Mobile, you'll find the AI Caption option. Once selected, choose the video for which you want to generate captions. There are some customization options you can adjust here. The language will usually be auto-detected, but you can also set it manually. AI packaging includes exciting features like highlights, emojis, and AI camera zoom to make your captions stand out, while speaker detection is useful for videos with multiple speakers. After setting your preferences, simply hit the Add Captions button, and the tool will automatically sync the captions with the audio in your video within seconds.
Big thing that everyone underestimates is what was your experience with your last video? If people loved the last video of yours that they watched, they're more likely to watch your next one. We'll get trending, and I'll notice a comment from someone, like we'll just pull it in, like Edward Jobs, right? And Edward Jobs will comment, "Oh my gosh, I've never seen Mr. Beast before. This was really cool."
You'll also find several caption templates to style your captions right away. Just like before, you can use the Project Editing button to add effects, filters, or background music, ensuring your captions fit seamlessly into your video. And that's a wrap on this quick overview of the AI features in Filmora Mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.